out to the Caribbean Sea, where we do have an 80% chance for our next named storm. Melissa is on the docket. It's going to be a tropical storm most likely within the next few days. But will it get to hurricane strength? We'll talk about that here in just a few minutes. Alrighty, let's take a look at our satellite view, because that's going to highlight that next round for a tropical storm. As this comes back into view here, what we're watching for is a cluster of storms that's sitting down in the Caribbean right now. It's actually this cluster of storms. This is the Saturday view. Let's fast forward. Your next tropical storm name is going to be Melissa. Now, Melissa has an 80% chance to form. It's not formed yet. Right now, actually, it's got a name of AL98. So that's its name right now. It basically means that the National Hurricane Center is interested in this cluster, this disorganized cluster of storms right here. And it has an 80% chance to form into a tropical storm over the next probably 3 to 4 days. I'll probably give it 4 days to form into that next tropical storm, that next named storm. Right now, we've got winds at about 40 miles an hour, pretty disorganized at the moment. It's moving to the west at about 20 miles an hour, but it is expected to slow down. And that's going to be very, very pivotal to the formation of Melissa, because if this thing can slow down, it's going to have more time to organize. And that's what we need to get this to a tropical storm strength. Winds, pretty impressive. However, we need that organization to actually classify it as a tropical storm. So we'll see if that happens over the next few days. Again, 80% chance to see that happen here. After that formation happens, after we get that tropical storm, will it intensify to a hurricane? Very unlikely. Most of our models are actually keeping this below hurricane, below that category 1 strength. Most of our models are saying tropical storm. And actually, most of our models are bringing this farther into the Caribbean, but then we'll bring it back out to the east eventually. So we'll have to keep an eye on that as well. At this point, a lot is unknown right here, so we're not exactly sure what's going to happen. We need more time and more information to know exactly what's going to happen. So we will be keeping you updated on that over the next few days. Again, the next named storm will be Tropical Storm Melissa. We still have plenty of time to get more tropical storms in here. I know that the later portion of October and early November is not always the most active time of year. However, we saw this last year, where we saw how many named storms? 1, 2, 3, 4 named storms at the very end of October and November, maybe even 5 with Nadine. So we could absolutely still get some named storms in here over the next few days. We'll have to keep an eye on that.